ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, welcome to the lesson. In the previous lesson, we had learned regular plural noun and adjectives by adding
una
to the singular masculine noun,
atun
to the singular feminine noun. Dear learners, we had also learned that with regular plural subjects, predicates also accompany them taking una and atun at the same time. Dear brothers, today's lesson will be about the broken plural. By broken plural, we mean that in Arabic, many nouns and even adjective as well, have their own specific plural patterns, unlike the regular plural endings una and atun. Dear learners, don't worry, we will discuss each pattern along with its nouns. Similarly, we will also learn about broken adjectives, and then we will use them in sentences to make everything easily understandable.
فعول
Is the broken plural noun pattern on which we can make nouns and even adjectives like a king.
ملك
It's plural, kings.
ملوك
A guest.
ضيف
It's plural, guests.
ضيوف.
Dear students, as I told you earlier, adjectives in Arabic also have plural forms, just like nouns. In a nominal sentence, when the subject is plural, the predicate must also be plural. We form the plural predicate by using plural adjectives, which we can form either with regular pattern like una for plural masculine and atun for plural feminine or using broken adjectives. Here in this lesson, we are also discussing broken adjectives at the time so that we might use both the broken noun and broken adjectives for clarification. Anyhow, we have also a broken plural adjective on pattern, like
فعول عادل
it's plural, just,
عدول.
meaning just or fair. Another pattern is
فعلاء وزير وزراء
minister. It's plural, ministers.
أمير أمراء
Leader. It's plural, leaders.
سفير سفراء
Ambassador. It's plural, ambassadors.
شهيد شهداء
Martyr. It's plural, martyrs. Or witness. It's plural, witnesses.
عالم علماء
Scholar. It's plural, scholars. Dear students, we have also broken adjectives on this pattern like foolish,
سفيه سفهاء
miserly,
بخيل بخلاء
trustworthy,
أمين أمناء
wise,
حكيم حكماء
righteous.
صالح صلحاء.
The third pattern is
فعال رجل رجال
a man. It's plural, men.
عبد عباد
Servant. It's plural, servants. The fourth pattern is
فعال طالب طلاب
student. It's plural, students.
تاجر تجار
Merchant. It's plural, merchants.
كاتب كتاب
Writer. It's plural, writers.
حاجب حجاب
Guard. It's plural, guards.
خادم خدام
Servant. It's plural, servants. The fifth pattern is
أفعال ولد أولاد
boy. It's plural, boys.
طفل أطفال
Child. It's plural, children. Dear learners, We have also a broken adjective pattern naming.
أفعلاء.
Rich,
غني، أغنياء.
strong,
قوي، أقوياء.
intelligent,
ذكي، أذكياء.
loyal,
وفي، أوفياء.
pious.
تقي، أتقياء.
Dear students, now, we are going to make nominal sentences using these words. We will make 3 sentences. In the first sentence, we will use a singular noun as its subject, and singular adjective as its predicate. In the second sentence, we will use a broken plural noun as its subject with a regular masculine plural adjective as its predicate. In the third sentence, we will use a broken plural noun as its subject with a broken plural adjective as its predicate.
الولد سعيد.
Meaning, the boy is happy. The second sentence is with broken noun as its subject with a regular masculine plural as its predicate.
الأولاد سعيدون.
The boys are happy.
الأولاد سعداء.
Meaning, the boys are happy.
الرجل بخيل.
The man is miserly.
الرجال بخيلون.
The men are miserly.
الرجال بخلاء.
The men are miserly.
العالم حكيم.
The scholar is wise.
العلماء حكيمون.
The scholars are wise.
العلماء حكماء.
The scholars are wise.
الطالب ذكي.
The student is intelligent.
الطلاب ذكيون.
The students are intelligent.
الطلاب أذكياء.
The students are intelligent.
التاجر غني.
The merchant is rich.
التجار غنيون.
The merchants are rich.
التجار أغنياء.
The merchants are rich.
الملك قوي.
The king is strong.
الملوك قويون.
The kings are strong.
الملوك أقوياء.
The kings are strong.
الوزير عادل.
The minister is just.
الوزراء عادلون.
The ministers are just.
الوزراء عدول.
The ministers are just.
الضيف كريم.
The guest is generous.
الضيوف كريمون.
The guests are generous.
الضيوف كرماء.
The guests are generous.
السفير أمين.
The ambassador is trustworthy.
السفراء أمينون.
The ambassadors are trustworthy.
السفراء أمناء.
The ambassadors are trustworthy.
العبد صالح.
The servant is righteous.
العباد صالحون.
The servants are righteous.
العباد صلحاء.
The servants are righteous.